Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Friday, August 23, 2024. It's 7:45 now in the morning. Temperature is 39 degrees centigrade. So it's high tide during this time. You can see. It's a nice weather. A little bit humid, but there's a little air. So it compensates the heat. Very nice here. So if you are in Alcobar, you can spend some time here during your weekly day off. Have a great day, guys. Hope everything is fine with you there, wherever you are. Thank you so much. Hello, Orange. Hello, Miming too. Blackie. Ming. Cutie. Ming. 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 Orange. You are hungry now? Whitey. Only Whitey is eating. Miming too. Orange doesn't like to eat now. Lucky, see, it's very big now. Before only kitten, now you are a cat now. And the other cat. Another kitten there. Whitey, you are finished? Come here. Oh. Blackie. Orange. Oh. Blackie has very big stomach, but Cutie, where is Cutie now? What happened to her? Rainbow, Miming too. Gray. They are all gone. Gone with the wind. Whitey. Oh, Whitey. Miming too still eating. And the other kitten. Whitey, please behave, huh? Just behave, okay? Whitey, let her eat. Blackie, don't like to eat, you are full. Orange, see, your stomach is still very thin. Why don't like to eat? The other cat. It's very hot. Oh, very hot. Orange and Blackie now drinking water. Drink more. The new kitten is still eating, very hungry. Where are your siblings? Whitey. Whitey again eating. Whitey. Pure white. Miming too. Finished. Mapi, say goodbye. Just go away like that. Ming? Oh, finished drinking. Blackie always like to stay beside me. Just like Cutie and Black too. Black too. I did not see her now since long time. And Cutie.